So the outside should face you, and I will join the yarn at the armpit. So I also do here a simple slip knot. And I will crochet half double crochets for the sleeves. So we will do this the same way as we attached the top part after the collar. So you yarn over and you insert your hook through a stitch. So just search for a stitch in the armpit, and then you pull up your loop and you crochet a half double crochet. And then you just continue to crochet half double crochets in rounds. And we'll meet again here after one round sleeve. That's the first round, and after one round half double crochets we will always have one decreasing round. So I will use an invisible decrease, and for this I'm going through the next stitch only through the front loop like this, and also through the second stitch also through the front loop, and then yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and crochet your half double crochet, and then you continue to crochet only half double crochets. So we will continue to crochet half double crochets in spiral rounds, and we will have one normal round and one round with one decrease. So you will alternate all the time, and I like to do the decreases always in the armpit, so you can put a marker that you know where to set your decrease, and it will give you a nice sleeve shape. So the sleeves will be getting a little bit thinner. And that's all what we will be doing now. So one round half double crochet is just a normal round, and one round half double crochets with one decrease, and you alternate all the time between these rounds, and then we'll meet again. So here's our sleeve, and we have here this section 28 rounds, and now we're going to crochet the border. So you can switch later doing the border, you can continue in this color. I will now switch to white because I would like to have a nice big border for the sleeves, and we will do here the same as we did on the bottom. We will first switch to white, so I will crochet one more half double crochet, and I will finish this stitch with my white yarn, and then I will tie a knot on the back side. So then you can cut your light gray, and then we crochet the border with our front post double crochets and back post double crochets. We don't decrease anymore, so the sleeve will be like this, or will stay like this. So it's the same border as we did on the bottom. So I showed you before, and I will continue also here to alternate between front post double crochet and a back post double crochet. Then I will show you how many rounds I need for my sleeve, and of course the other sleeve you will do the same way. So you crochet the opposite side the same way. So that's my sleeve so far. And this is how it looks like. I have here 34 rounds. So this looks quite big, but I like the style, so it looks really nice on my hubby. So I finished the last row also, as I showed you for the bottom border. And now I will show you how to sew all your loose ends. So you will do the second sleeve, of course, also like this, so they are both the same. But you will have some loose ends, and I'm going to sew them on the inside. So this is the inside. So you see I have here also one more on the inside, and then you just go through your work, through the stitches. And I also like to go through the threads. Okay, and then you skip the last one, so it will secure your yarn on this point, and then you just go backwards or nearly backwards. It does not have to be super perfect. Yeah, and make sure that it's not tight, so you have no tension, and then you just cut it. So you need new scissors, like it looks like this. So, and yeah, and then you're done. So that's it. That's your sleeve. And actually what I found out, it's as long as the sweater itself. So I hope it's falling off my table. So if you just sew also these in, and the length is really the same as the sweater. So maybe this is an orientation for you if you don't know how long your sleeve should be. So actually both borders have the same length. And yeah, so you will do the second one the same way. And I hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope it's fun. So it was a lot of fun for me, and I hope I can give you a little bit of fun back. So happy crocheting, and until next time, bye bye.